Hi everyone, my name is Srikanya. Currently I'm working as a volunteer in CRN Global, and I'm also pursuing post-graduation in cybersecurity where I'm focusing on practical knowledge and theoretical knowledge as well. Throughout my learning journey, I have explored some core areas which are essential for cybersecurity professional. I have also started with the basics of networking, especially where I have learned how data flows works and what are the how IP addressing is done, what are the ports, and I have learned few protocols like TCP, UDP, and many other things. This gave me strong foundation on how attacks happen, and then I moved on to other side where I have worked with Kali Linux, which is a powerful tool for pen testing and ethical hacking as well. Using Kali, I have practiced many tools like Nmap, Wireshark, and some of the password crackers like John the Ripper and Burp Suit as well. All these tools are used to identify vulnerabilities and simulate attacks, and in many other ways we can use these tools. Understanding these guidelines helped me how to build a secure network and how to limit the access to the users and monitor threats and many more, like ensuring compliance. This kind of knowledge is very crucial because cybersecurity isn't about hacking, it's all about defense, maintaining confidentiality, integrity, and availability, and ensuring data is handled properly. Apart from the self-study, I have also participated in many competitions, cybersecurity competitions especially, where one of the concept of my competition is analyzing malware in a virtual machine. I have downloaded a malware and explained its behavior through proc monitor, where we can monitor all the processes. And using Wireshark, I have shown how the data is getting transferred because of the malware. That was an exciting competition I have ever been to. I have learned many things and got so much of knowledge through that competition. Coming back, I have explored many social engineering attacks about how attackers trick the users, giving them away the sensitive information. And the cybersecurity throughout my course, it taught me that cybersecurity is not about technical thing, it's about how understanding how the human behavior is. To sum up, I'm passionate about cybersecurity because it involves in problem solving and it have real world impact. My current focus is to keep growing through practical work and knowing more standards similar to PCI DSS. Thank you for watching the video. I look forward to learn, share, collaborate in this exciting field. Thank you.